Yes, good afternoon students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Today we are going to start your chapter noun phrase chapter 8 from your English grammar book. Okay? First of all, please tell me, all the students know what is noun? Okay? Today we are discussing phrase, first of all phrase, after that kinds, and today we are discussing only two kinds, noun phrase and adverb phrase. Okay? Yes. First of all, please tell me what is noun? If you know about a noun, you are now 7th class, all the students know about a noun. Okay? The name of the person and thing, place is called a noun. Okay? Noun is a naming word of person, place, thing, animals. All the students know about the noun. Yes, first of all, your topic is noun phrase. But firstly, I am telling you about the phrase. What is phrase? Okay? All the students know what is phrase. You know what is phrase? Phrase is a group of words that make a sense but not a complete sense. Okay? For example, in the evening. Okay? In the evening. In the room. Okay? Phrases is a group of words that make a sense but not a complete sense is called a phrase. Look at the two sentences. In the air, in the best. Okay? Are you clear the sentence? These phrases clear the sense. What is the meaning of in the air and what is the meaning of in the best? Yes? Okay. If we write these phrases like this, he shoots an arrow in the air. Okay? Yes. Look at the phrases. Here the words is phrases. Phrases are group of words that make a sense but not a complete sense. Okay? If for example, in the air, in the evening, in the best, any other sentence, in the room. Okay? These sentences, if we use like this, he shot an arrow in the air. Okay? Now, sentence is a complete sense. Here your phrase is in the air. All the students know about this? Yes? Here when we use in the sentence make a complete sense because all the students know what is the definition of sentence. A group of words. When you write a group of words in a when we write a sentence, use a group of words. The group of words is called a sentence. Okay? Make a complete sense. But here, when we use only phrase, not a complete sense. The same way, the sun sets in the best. Yes, in the best here, in the best. But when you write in the sentence, in the best is a complete sense. Okay? These are phrases. Okay? I hope you understand what is phrases. First of all, सभी को पता चल गया कि फ्रेज कौन से होते हैं सेंटेंस में. पहले आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि फ्रेज क्या है. ओके? आफ्टर दैट वी डिस्कसिंग नेक्स्ट वन इज यस. फीचर्स ऑफ फ्रेजेस. इट डज नॉट कंटेन अ फाइनाइट वर्ब. ओके? जो phrases होते हैं, it does not contain a finite verb. All the student clear finite verb. You all the students done the finite non-finite verb in your previous chapter. Yes. The next one is a phrase may contains infinitive. Okay? Please remember, keep in your mind. It does not contain finite verb. All the students know finite verbs are changed according to the subject, according to the number, according to the tense. All the students know an non-finite verb divided into 3 verbs, gerund, participles, okay, infinitives. But here the phrases does not contain a finite verb. Please keep in your mind this. The next one is a phrase may contain, but a phrase contain in infinitives. Okay, please remember this. Phrase may contain. Yes, there are 5 kinds of phrases. Okay, noun phrase, adverb phrase, adjective phrase, verb phrase, prepositional phrase. These phrases based on your 5 parts of speech. All the students know noun, adverb, adjective, okay, verb, prepositions. All the students know about this? Yes. The next one is, please remember this, how many kinds are phrases? 5 kinds. First is noun phrase, adverb phrase, adjective phrase, verb phrase, prepositional phrase. Okay. Yes. Next one is, noun phrase are simply noun with modifier just as a noun can act as a subject, object and prepositional object. Please students keep in your mind, when you identify the noun phrase, you keep in your mind noun phrase are simply noun with modifier just as a noun. नाउन भी हो सकता है, नाउन एज अ सब्जेक्ट भी हो सकता है, नाउन एज अ ऑब्जेक्ट भी हो सकता है. ओके, प्रेपोजिशनल ऑब्जेक्ट भी हो सकता है. नाउन फ्रेज कैन आल्सो वर्क इन अ सेंटेंस एज अ एडजेक्टिव. ओके, प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस थिंग आल्सो. जो नाउन फ्रेजेस हैं आपके जो सेंटेंस में आप यहाँ पे आइडेंटिफाई करोगे, तो वहाँ पे जो नाउन फ्रेज है बेटा, वो एडजेक्टिव भी आ सकता है, वो पार्टिसिपल भी आ सकता है. पार्टिसिपल में क्या आ जाता है, जैसे अगर आप यूज़ करते हो क्राइंग, ओके, CRYING, क्राइंग, दीज आर प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. ओके, व्हेन वी ऐड क्राई फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब ING, दैट टाइम दीज आर present participle, and when you used cried, ED, that time past participle. Okay, please remember this. These are used participles, infinitives. Okay, infinitives all the students know, when we use a to before the first form of verb, that time these verbs are infinitives and prepositional. Okay, infinitives and prepositional. The modifier can come before or after the noun. It comes before the noun. It likely to be an article, possessive noun or possessive pronoun, adjective or participles. Okay. Second thing, please keep in your mind. First of all, when you identify the noun phrase in the sentence and when you write a noun phrase, that time you keep in your mind your noun phrase is a subject or object, or if you write a sentence or if you identify your subject is participles, participle भी हो सकता है, infinitive भी हो सकता है, prepositional भी हो सकता है. और when you write a modifier can come. Modifier means, for example, the bag is heavy. Okay, here bag is a noun but the is a article, sorry, a and the is article. ओके, तो आप जब सेंटेंस में फाइंड करते हो तो उसके आगे है जो मॉडिफायर हैं नाउन फ्रेज में, वो आगे कोई डिटर्मिनर भी हो सकता है. ओके, पोजेसिव प्रनाउन भी हो सकते हैं, पोजेसिव नाउन भी हो सकते हैं, आर्टिकल भी हो सकते हैं, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव भी हो सकते हैं. प्लीज कीप इन योर माइंड दिस थिंग when you write any sentence and when you identify the noun phrase in the following sentence. First example, a woman in the window shouted for help. Okay, beta, in this sentence woman is a noun. Okay, here woman is a noun. Okay, woman is a noun and here a is a article. Okay, please remember this. When you identify the noun phrase, here before determiner, यहाँ पे this, that, these, those भी आ सकता था, a and the भी आ सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है आपका जो मतलब सब्जेक्ट है इसके आगे, noun से आगे. Okay, in the window, shouted for help. Okay, all these are your noun phrase. Okay. Yes, the next one is she bought a decent black shirt. Okay, your subject is start with determiner, article, demonstrative. Okay, and end with the complementary adjective भी आ सकता है. जैसे for example, she bought a decent black shirt. Okay, वो आंसर करे भी किस तरह की शर्ट है, तो आप उसका आंसर क्या है, decent black shirt. Here your direct objective used here in this sentence and your noun phrase is a decent black shirt. Okay, you identify the complement भी हो सकता है, infinitive भी हो सकता है, participle भी हो सकता है. प्लीज़ ये बात आपने ध्यान रखना. यहाँ से लेकर आपका जो आपका कॉम्प्लीमेंट स्टार्ट होता है वहाँ से लेकर एंड तक जो आपका आ जाता है वो नाउन फ्रेज होता है। ठीक है, इसी तरह आज हम जो आपकी जो नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है वो डिस्कस करते हैं। यस, अब नाउ योर फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, आइडेंटिफाई द फ्रेजेस इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस। ओके, हिज डिसेंट मैनर्स impressed everyone. Here the possessive, okay, his possessive pronoun, all the students know about this, decent manners. Okay, your noun phrase is here because impressed is a verb. Okay, verb before the whole word is decent manners. Okay, manner here is a noun. Okay, everyone, impressed everyone. Here this sentence is a verb and his decent manner is a noun phrase. Okay, my friend's little brother is very cute. Here my friends shows a possessive. I already telling you about this possessive pronoun, possessive noun. Okay, these are noun phrase before or after. Okay, my friend's a little brother. Here little brother, little is also complement भी है और brother is a noun. This one is noun phrase. Understanding the mind of people. Okay, this sentence start with present participle. Okay, gerund भी बोल सकते हैं, gerund. Understanding the mind of people. Here all this is noun phrase. Okay, understanding the mind of people. I enjoy going on long walk. Okay, in this sentence going on, okay, I already telling about this. Your noun phrase should be, can be subject or can be object. Okay, yes, noun phrase. The next one is the friendly atmosphere helped my brother perform well in the class. Yes, in this sentence, which is your noun phrase? The friendly atmosphere. Yes, the friendly. Okay, here use a article. Okay, please keep in your mind. And here friendly complement and atmosphere is a noun. Okay, the friendly atmosphere. Verb before. Okay, please remember this verb before. All the word is describe a noun phrase, but noun phrase can be object and can be subject. Please read the sentence and identify the phrase. I love reading history book. Okay, in this sentence, which is phrases? Reading history book. Yes, reading history book. Noun phrase. It's very simple because I enjoy. Here is a pronoun and here is a verb. After the verb is your noun phrase and before the verb is your noun phrase. It's very simple. Okay. Next one is singing class songs is what gives me pleasure. Singing classical song. Okay. Before verb. Mary wanted to cook and here to cook dinner. Okay, here to cook dinner. Infinitive आ गया ना यहाँ पे. Taking care of poor and needy is good. Taking care of the poor and needy. Okay, verb before. All this is noun phrase. Okay, is good is a verb आ गया and here good is a complement. Okay, surviving a plane crash is a miracle. Yes, in this sentence, verb before, all this is noun phrase. Is it clear? Yes. I hope you all are understood about noun phrase. Yes. Now I am telling about adverb phrase. Okay. I hope you all are understood how you identify the noun phrase when your sentence start with article, okay, determiners, demonstrative, that time your phrase noun, modify the noun, okay, not a verb. When the any word identify the noun, that time these words are noun of phrase, noun phrase. Okay, the next one is adverb phrase. A phrase that perform the function of an adverb in a sentence is called a adverb phrase. Okay, an adverb phrase consists of a one or more word. The adverb is the head of the phrase and can appear alone, or it can be modified by the other words. Okay, yes, an adverb phrase consists of one or more word. The adverb is the head of the phrase and can appear alone, or it can be modified by the other words. Okay, adverb phrase of manner shows how a thing is done. Okay, types of phrases जो adverb phrase है, all the students know about the adverb. Okay, the word that describe a verb is called adverb. Okay, the where, when the action is done, where the action is done, how the action is done. I hope you all are understood about adverb, and here we are talking about the adverb phrase. Okay, the types of phrases. Adverb phrase of manners. Okay, first type of phrases, adverb phrase of manners, shows how a thing is done. Okay, how a thing is done. And adverb phrase of place shows the place where the action is done. Okay, adverb phrase of time shows how the action is done. Okay, yes. Now look at the exercise. Identify the adverb phrase. The boy laughed in a loud manner. How the boy laughed? Please tell me in this sentence. How the boy laughed? In a loud manner. Okay, start with the preposition. Yes, in a loud manner. Here a adverb phrase. After hearing the news, Jay went to the hospital without any further delay. Okay, the second one is after hearing the news, Jay went to the hospital without any further delay. Okay, here adverb phrase, find an adverb phrase after hearing the news. Okay, Jay went to the hospital without any further delay. Okay, when the action is done, without any further delay. Adverb phrase. Next one is I have received the information at this very moment. Okay, now which is your adverb phrase? At the same time, because here describe a preposition, here is also without any further delay, describe a time. Okay, and the first sentence describe a manners. Okay, next one is here time, at this very moment. Okay, adverb phrase. Next one is it started raining without any warning. It started raining without any warning. Okay, the next one is fourth sentence, without any warning. Adverb phrase. Next, Ram and Lakshman left at the same time. It's a very simple, already done. Start with time, shows the time. Adverb phrase. In those days, there was no electricity in these areas. Okay, please tell me which is adverb phrase in this sentence. In those days, उन दिनों में. Okay, here your subject. In those days. Okay, there was no electricity in these areas. Here your adverb, in those days. You have no learned the process step by step. Okay, in this sentence, step by step. Okay, describe the. You have no learned the process. Time step by step. In the end, the dog was rescued. Yes, in the end. All the students know. Here shows the phrases in the end. Okay, she is the best student in our class without any doubt. without any doubt. Yes, without any doubt. Your ninth answer is without any doubt. Please handle the showpiece with care. Okay, in this showpiece, with care. Okay, start with the preposition. Here your adverb phrase is with care. Okay, students, today we are discussing about only two kinds, noun phrase, adverb phrase. Okay, if any query, any problem, please tell me. Yes, I hope you all are understood about the noun phrase and adverb phrase. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.